Okay, so let's start with another market basket analysis, and here we are using the data set for the from a particular day and from the retail outlet, and who is selling the wine and other things like that. I mean, it is a retail outlet, maybe wine, bread, milk, everything. So this is the data set that we are going to use, and first, as usual, let us first clear the output like this, so that we can start working on this. So everything has been cleared, market basket analysis with the store data set, and we can install a pip a priori. So in case you have not installed, you can install it. That is why it is mentioned here as a remark. If you have already installed, fine, then you need not. So we can run this, then importing all the libraries like pandas, numpy, a priori, etc. That is, again, we can run this. Then we can also load the data set. Now this data set is available on the hard disk and or maybe on server or wherever it is. So you can give a complete path for that, and the data file name is day1.csv. So this is the data file, this is the complete path, and this is the data frame where it is going to be stored. So after loading all these libraries, then we are going to load the data also, right? So this has been done. Now we can check the data, store data. Now you can see that the complete data has been displayed here. Now we can, and you can see here that is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 5, and again here also all the data and whatever number of rows are there, they are all there. Then we are having the shape of the data, so that is 22 rows and 6 columns. All these 6 columns you can see 0 to 5, right? So all these 6 columns are there, and then 22 rows are there. Then you can have some data info, that also is possible. So by writing this code, that also you can get, the data is same, so it is just printing in a different way. Then you also need to know about the data types which are there. That also you can see that 0, object, 1, all these are object, right? Then you can also go for the complete details description. That also you can get with the help of this code, that is stored_data.describe. That also you can get. Then you are going to convert pandas data frame into list of list. So for that you need to write records is equal to blank, and then for I in range 0 to 22. Why? Because we have 22 rows and one additional row has been taken, so that it covers all those rows. Records, append, store data value, I and j, two variables that we have taken, and then for j in range 0 to 6, because this I is rows and j is column. So we are taking each and every element of the matrix, right? And that is why this algorithm has been made. So this records, append, complete data has to be there. So that is why we need to run this. We can run this so that everything is available to us, and then we can go for our exercises. Then build the a priori model. Now since we have already imported this a priori, then we are going to build a model with the help of this. So building the first a priori model, association rules. A priori records minimum support is equal to 0.5 and minimum confidence is 0.7. Now that is as something random figure that you can always decide that which is the most suitable one. It may vary, you can repeat it again by changing these figures. And then minimum lift is 1.2 and minimum length is 2. Now these are some figures which comes because you are working in that particular domain, so you know that what is the kind of value you should give. So that is why these are based on the experience and whatever knowledge you have. Then association rules, it's not that randomly you can give any figure, but it should be appropriate. Association results is equal to list association rules. So now we are going to list the association rules. So you can see that once you give it, nothing is going to happen here, but then we are going to print the association results, and that we can get it with the help of this, right? Now this, of course, here we are getting the number of the length. We are not getting the association result, we will get here, but length of the association result is 3 only, and now we are going to print that. So when we print it, you will see that complete details are available to us. So that is how now you can see that a relation record, then for a frozen set, all such things are going to be printed here, right? And this is how you can see that the association is 91%. Some in some cases, somewhere it is maybe like the lift is 1.3, it is 73%. So different depending on the type of item that we are talking about, you can go for the results. That is how it is. This comes with the with your knowledge of that particular retail outlet, and then you can definitely create this kind of a output with the help of this code. So it is very simple, but definitely it is very helpful also. So this completes our market basket analysis for this particular data set. Thank you.